current passing through the 8 ohm resistor in the circuit shown below is. See, in order to find out the current through the 8 ohm resistor, we have to find out Thevenin's equivalence across the terminals A, B. Means we have to find out VThevenians and RThevenians at this terminal. So we have to convert this entire circuit VThevenians, RThevenians into this is 8 ohm resistor. This is the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor. So for that, here we need to simplify something here. Just convert into delta to star conversion. Okay. So if we convert that thing, that is, then see, if we convert star to this delta to star conversion, and after simplifying this portion, we will get this network like this. See, now this portion simply we can replace with a single resistor whose value is 8 ohms, because 11 parallel with 11 is 5.5, in series with the 2.5, which is equals to 8 ohms. So RThevenians is nothing but 8 parallel with 4 plus 2. So 8 parallel with 4 in parallel with 2, that is 8 into 4, 8 plus 4 in parallel with the 2, that is 32 12 into 2 by 32 by 12 plus 2. This is RThevenians. Similarly, VThevenians, apply the KCL here, that is VThevenians minus 200 divided by 2 plus VThevenians divided by 4 VThevenians divided by 8 is equals to 0. So if we simplify this one, 4 VThevenians minus 800 plus 2 VThevenians plus VThevenians equals to 0. That is 7 VThevenians is equals to 800. VThevenians is 800 by 7 volts. So if we find out VThevenians, we will get it as 114.28 volts, whereas RThevenians we will get it as 1.145. So now if we calculate I, that is VTh by RTh plus 8 ohms, then we will get it as 2.5 amps, which is option B is correct. An 8-bit D2A converter has a step size of 20 millivolts. Find the percentage resolution. Here percentage resolution is nothing but step size divided by full scale voltage into 100, which is nothing but 1 power 2 power n minus 1 into 100. Here n is the 8-bit converter, so n is 8, 2 power 7 into 100, which is equals to, here, so this is 2 power n minus 1. Full scale output means if it is 8-bit to 55th level, that is 1 by 255 into 100, which is equals to 0.392%. Okay, this is the option. Wave rectified sinusoidal current shown in figure has an average value equal to half of its maximum value. The angle theta is, here the signal is existing from theta to pi. Okay, hence the average value I average is equals to Im by pi theta 2 pi sin theta d theta, which is equals to, which is given in the question itself, that is equals to half of its maximum value. So Im gets cancelled. Theta 2 pi sin theta d theta is equals to pi by 2, that is minus cos theta 0 to pi is equals to pi by 2, that is here 1 by pi is there, so minus 1 by pi cos pi minus cos theta is equals to pi by 2, which is nothing but 1.57. So this pi already shifted to here, hence there is no need of pi here. So minus cos pi plus cos theta is equals to 1.57. So cos theta is nothing but 1.57 plus cos pi, which is 1.57 minus 1, which is equals to 0.57. Theta is cos inverse of 0.57, which is nothing but 55.25 degrees. Hence